Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Webtech Zone. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can put decorated and pretty border on Google Docs. So guys, this is new method that you can use. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Docs. Okay, so in Google Docs there is no any option to directly insert the frame. Okay, so you can download from outsource and insert here as an image. Okay, but I'm going to show you new method. Okay, so we are going to use the Microsoft Word first. Okay, so let me open Microsoft Word. Okay guys, so here I'm on Microsoft Word. So first we need to go in file. Here under the new options, go to the more templates and search for frames. So you can see the 2 3 frame option here, so I just choose this one. Okay, I need to create with this frame. Okay, so this is my frame, so let me double click on it. You need to just double click on it. Now here you can see that frame options. It is actually shape, but it's look like frame. Okay, now here we can change that frame color. Sorry, it is filling. Okay, so just select that frame. Here you can change that frame color. Okay, and also we can change that width. Okay, and also we have the option, we can change that frame style like this, and we can also change that change change that frame style like dot style and all. So we can go to the more lines. Here we have more options. Okay, under this option we can go in glow, and you can increase that glow size. Okay, and reflection also we have, make transparent. We also make it blur. We have shadow option also. If you want shadow, you can create that shadow. And here we have, okay, we can change color from here. Okay, okay, you can change the joint type like ground, blend, whatever. Okay, after you done, now select that frame. Okay, select that frame, copy it, come to the Google Docs and paste here. Okay, now we have this frame. Before that we need to go in page. We don't go to the page. Okay, come to the Google Docs. This is Google Word only. Okay, this is my Google Docs. Just copy paste that frame, and here go to the file, go to the page setup. Here we need to select 0 0.1, 0 0.1, 0 0.1 and 0.1 to all. Margin, click OK. Now increase the size by clicking this side dot and drag. Okay, now we have this frame. Okay, now let me zoom in first. Okay, now we can start typing. Okay, here you can see the image options, like behind you need to select text. Go to the image options and go to the text wrapping, and here you need to select that behind the text. Okay, and you can just come out, and here you can see the cursor. So you can see that at that left tab stop. Okay, so you can start with the same margin. You need to just hit the tab when you start, right like this. Okay, you can also add the right side tab. So when you finish, okay, you need to, okay, okay, you can use this tab to write your content. Okay, when you enter to the next line, you need to hit the tab, then you can start with the content. Okay, so that is a frame you can use. Okay, okay guys, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.